somebody wants you back. Okay, got a person here who's just lost, daydreaming out the window, thinking about you. They want you back. This could be a water sign. Got Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. That could be you, that could be them. This person feels as though fate brought you together and they're only just recognizing that now and they want you back. Let's take a look. Yeah, they feel broken. They feel drained, shattered, exhausted with this whole situation. They've brought it on themselves, but they feel terrible. Leo, Sagittarius, Aries could be involved. They are facing the consequences of their actions, really. I feel like they were maybe elusive throughout this for a period of time, and you got fed up and went, and that's why they want you back. Or maybe they walked away and they're realising that they made a mistake and now they want you back. Daydreaming again. I just said that at the beginning. It's like they're just lost in thought all the time, thinking about you, no matter what they're doing to distract themselves. They're finding themselves coming back to the same place. June could be an important month. I feel as though in the past you weren't getting a full offer from this person. That says dirty offer, so maybe you were just getting breadcrumbed, or, you know, you weren't being prioritised. And so this person, you know, has left you, or you've left them, and now they want to come back. They're at their absolute breaking point, okay? They are really feeling stressed out about this whole situation. They've got a fear of rejection, but they still want to kind of come in and see what can be done. You're acting unbothered. Maybe you are unbothered, but either way, this person's caused you a lot of damage. There's been a lot of heartache. I feel like that person's now deeply hurting, however they've made you feel that in the past. They just feel lost. All of a sudden, it's maybe hit home what they've done. Got more signs here, so we've got earth signs there, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorns. We've got water signs, earth signs, and fire signs, all prominent in this read. This person is in a mess. I can't read that out, but it says effed up over you. So they're not happy. This person is really struggling. It's not particularly showing that they're coming back to you, but it's showing that they want to. You're definitely in separation. So, you know, there's a sadness there. There's a missing. You may be in a phase where you're trying to heal. I'm trying to show you without the shine. You might be trying to heal through this. It might have taken a lot for you to get to this phase of this connection as well. Got fate again there. There is a lot showing here that shows you were meant to be, but it didn't work out because of that person or their actions. So I'm just going to try and take a look and see what's going on. It just shows that they've been feared of intimacy, maybe a little bit self-absorbed. Now they want to come in and fix this. So their intention is to mend this somehow, but I don't know, there's been too much damage. It just shows there's been so many influences, you know, other people involved, opinions, and then off the back of that, this person has gone on ahead and distracted themselves to kind of push away from it. But all the distractions really brought here is a realization that they love you and they don't know how to come back from what they've done. So you could be kind of in a position where you just want to ignore it. They may be ignoring you at the moment. We've got air signs as well. That's every sign out now. So we've got Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. This could be for any of you involved with any of the star signs. So fire, water, air, and earth. All of you are in the mix with this one. There is a decision looming here as to whether to contact you and to try and sort this out. It is up to you what you do with this, but we've got a lot of karma showing here. So if this deserves a second chance, give it one. If it doesn't, take care of you and move forward.